Tonight, that biker group that terrorized a family in their SUV. It is viral video that infuriated millions of people. Another arrest tonight. The suspect charged with punching the driver after the SUV's window was broken. Meanwhile, the NYPD has placed one undercover detective on modified duty for being in the mob but doing nothing to stop the violence. And they're looking into whether other New York cops may have been riding with these bikers. Investigative reporter Sarah Wallace is here with the latest. Sarah.
Well, Bill and Liz, we are being told that the undercover detective riding with the bikers was not investigating the group. He was doing it for recreation. He is a several-year veteran who works in the intelligence division, and that reportedly was key in his decision not to step in. Internal affairs cops are now poring over this video, checking out logos to identify area motorcycle clubs that police officers are known to be members of. Sources now say the one veteran detective placed on modified duty after last week's biker incident did not witness the initial confrontation on the West Side Highway, but that he did see the tail end of the assault on driver Alexian Leon. David Schwartz is a former prosecutor, now a defense attorney. Should he have stepped in?
Yes, absolutely should have stepped in. All police officers have an obligation to help and a duty to act as opposed to an ordinary citizen.
But the head of the detectives union notes the off-duty detective riding with the group saw several others phone 911 and made a judgment call. He is deep undercover in a highly sensitive NYPD intelligence unit, unlike civilian Sergio Consuegra, who made headlines as a hero after intervening.
The civilian's photo has gone viral, and if that was the detective's photo, then all of his cases, including his safety, would now have been compromised.
Palladino also says undercovers are now hesitant to step out of their roles after what happened to Jescard Isnora. Isnora, working undercover at a Queens nightclub 7 years ago, believed he was preventing a shooting when he identified himself as a cop during the Sean Bell case. Isnora was cleared of criminal charges in Bell's death, but then punished by the NYPD.
He stepped out of his undercover role, and the incident happened, and then he was fired. This resonates with all of these undercovers.
Palladino does acknowledge it is problematic the detective in this case waited a few days before notifying the NYPD he was in the group, but that is an administrative issue. It is unlikely a criminal case could be made. Liz?
Fascinating. Sarah, thank you. Well, dramatic video tonight.